The market is not against you, but these deadly mistakes are eating your profit and making you blow accounts. You are wondering why you keep losing money. Sometimes you feel that the market is against you. The truth is this: most people don't realize that they are making these deadly mistakes I'm about to mention until it's too late. If you have ever blown account, struggling to stay profitable, or trying to get started trading forex, crypto, derivative, even Weltrade, this video is for you. You want to stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to open your eyes to the things, to 5 deadly mistakes that you are making unknown to you, that is stealing your profit. If after watching this video you gain value, please share this video. A lot of traders out there need to see this video. My name is Juliet, and in this space we talk about money secrets the rich don't want you to know, and we share practical strategies on how to get out of that circle of being broke and start building real wealth. If this is the type of vibe that you like, please hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon beside it to get notified anytime I publish a video, like this video, and share it to any platform you belong. 5 deadly mistakes that blows your account. Number 3 is a silent killer, and most people ignore this. Follow me as I unveil this to you and show you practical way to stop making these mistakes. Number 1 mistake is over leveraging. If you don't understand what leverage is, you will say, I've heard this over and over again. A lot of traders trade with high lot size, and the moment price moves slightly against them, the account is gone or wiped out. You that is trading with a signal your mentor sent to you, did you consider your capital with their own capital when they give you a stop loss or when they give you leverage? Leverage in trading simply means borrowed money that allows you as a trader to control a larger position with a smaller amount of money. For instance, you have $100 in your trading account and you are using 10x leverage. What this simply means is that you are going to trade like someone that has $1,000 in his trading account. And using that 10x means if market moves in your favor, you are going to gain 10 times profit. And if market moves against you, you are going to lose 10 times. Now, a lot of traders, some understand what this leverage is, but taking it into consideration when they want to trade becomes an issue. A slight move in the account against the trader wipes the account or blows the account. You belong to a signal group. You say that your mentor is giving you signal to some of you that don't know how to generate the signal themselves. Yet you keep blowing that account. You begin to wonder, why is it that I joined this person's group and still I keep blowing my account? It's because you don't pay attention to the details. Your mentor is giving you signal, stop loss, take profit, leverage based on his account. You need to adjust it yourself. How do you fix this mistake? Number 1, trade with small lot size. Understand the fact that trading is just like every other business. Stop seeing trading as something that a place that you enter today, then you make all the money that you want to make immediately. Trade with a small lot size. In fact, risk 1 to 2% of your account size. That's how to fix this problem number one. If you are using high leverage without proper risk management, what you are doing is gambling. You are not trading. These days, we have a lot of gamblers and traders. That's why you say it's not working. Mistake number two, poor risk management. I have seen a lot of traders with the belief that anytime they set stop loss, the market hit the stop loss, take them out of the market and reverse, still go their direction. And because of that, they become enemy to stop loss. Some of them will tell you that stop loss is witch hunting them. In my early days in trading, I came up with that belief until I sit back to look at it. Let me explain something to you here. Our brain is wired to avoid pain and take control. It's natural. When we see stop losses getting hit too often, our subconscious mind associates them to loss and frustrations over time. This creates a negative belief like stop losses makes me lose money. And you say, because of that, I will stop using them or I will not use them again. This is the harsh truth. The market doesn't care about your emotions. It doesn't give a dime about how you feel. So removing stop loss doesn't eliminate the risk. It only exposes you to bigger losses. The real problem here is poor risk management, not your stop loss. Where and how you set your stop loss is the reason why the market is hitting it back to back. Hello? That is if you get your analysis correct. When you place your stop loss too tight, it's easily triggered by the market fluctuation. And when you are setting it without considering the market structure like the support and the resistance zones, you are the one looking for trouble. Now, to fix this issue, or to fix this problem, give your trade breathing room. Set your stop loss beyond key levels, not where everyone else does. Use correct positioning, sizing. Risk only 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade. So losses don't hurt much. And also, try to convert to your local currency. Like when you want to set your stop loss, convert it to your local currency. It will send a signal to your brain for you to know actually how much you are about to lose. If the money is in dollar, when you say $5, you won't feel the weight until you convert it to your local currency. I know that $5 now is above 7,000 naira in Nigeria. So try to also convert to your local currency. Pick your calculator, convert it to your local currency, and it will give you some sense of direction in what you are doing. Detach from emotions. A hit stop loss is not the market targeting you. It's only protecting you from bigger losses. Trading without stop loss is like driving without a brake. My dear, it works until you crash. Always use stop loss and a risk-reward ratio of at least 1:2 return on investment to protect your capital first. Mistake number 3, emotional trading. The silent killer. Emotional trading is what separates the professional trader from a gambler. We have a lot of gamblers in the industry. Emotional trading happens when you allow fear, greed, frustrations, or overconfidence to control your decisions instead of following a clear strategy in your trading. Now, let me break it down how it destroys your account and messes with your psychology. Fear. When fear sets in, you start panicking and close good trades early, not allowing the trade to run, thereby missing the profit. Greed. You hold on to trade too long, hoping to make more profit and end up losing. Or you see a bad trade, instead of you to close it early, you allow it to keep running, believing that it will reverse in order to give you huge profit. Revenge trading. Here, after you have lost money, you jump into another trade without thinking, trying to win back. And market has this way of, you lose money as if the market is seeing you. They will now come and give you one kind green light, you jump in. When you lose money in the trade, close that trade, close your system, close your phone, get out and get something else to keep yourself busy. So that you be calm. It hurts when you lose. Then come back to the trade when you are calm. You'll get that money back. How do you fix these problems? Stick to a trading plan. Know your exit, your entering and your exit. In fact, know your confluence or have a confluence. If I don't see this, I'm not going in. And if I see this, I'm out of the trade. Even if the trade wants to do whatever, let it do. Stick to it. Discipline is your edge in this industry as a trader if you want to stay profitable. Again, trade based on strategy, not based on your emotions. Based on strategy. Have a trading strategy. Detach from results. Accept losses as part of the game. In fact, one of my mentors says that losses are the house rent we pay around the industry. For every money you lose, the trade is telling you something. There is something that you didn't do well there. And the money is still inside the market. If you can calm your nerves down, you will get it back. Use proper risk management. Use proper risk management in any of your trade so that no single trade affects you emotionally. Always allow trade come to you. It's sweet when the trade comes to you, not when you go to the trade. You can't fight water. You can't fight river. You can't fight the ocean. Allow trade comes to you. If you have not subscribed to this video and you have watched it to this level, please do me this one favor. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the bell icon beside it so you get notified anytime I drop valuable content like this. Then share this video. A lot of Gen Zs want to venture into this industry, but because of the high losses, these mistakes, when they breeze in, they breeze out, and they keep giving trading industry bad names. They need to see this video. Remember that the market doesn't care about how you feel. Journal your trade and step out. Close your trade the moment emotions sets in. Mistake number 4. Trading without a clear strategy. Many traders jump into the market without a tested strategy. They rely on gut feelings, hype news, or even random signals. Now, this leads to inconsistent results, frustrations, and eventually a blown account. So when you enter the market without a tested strategy, not the one another person tested, you, the one that you back tested to see that it works, you will also get, it always leads to losses and frustration. It's a pure disaster because there is no entry or exit rules, and it leads to emotional decisions. A random trade leads to a random result. If you trade without structure, your wins and losses are unpredictable. You can't predict them. No back testing, no confidence. Without testing your strategy, you are trading blindly. To fix this, develop a trading strategy. Choose a method that fits your trading style, like trend trading, scalping, swing trading, demand and supply. There are a lot of strategies out there. Pick one that fits your trading style. And when you choose a trading strategy, go ahead, backtest it with past data to know if that strategy works. Follow it consistently. Stick to the plans and avoid emotions. Again, set up a conference. It will help you also to come out of these emotions. Maintain high level of discipline when it comes to trade. Mistake number 5, ignoring the market condition. You cannot fight the market. See the market as a river where you go to swim. Now, when you are swimming, if you do not swim to the direction of that river, the pressure from the river will keep suppressing you and it won't let you swim freely. So you follow the direction of the river in order to have a good swim. Trading during high volatility, when without understanding the news, is pure gambling. The market is like a river. To succeed, you have to follow its direction. Remember, you are not the market maker. It costs a lot to move one candlestick in that market. So for you to fix this problem, check and follow market trends, news, events, and economic calendar before trading. Look at all these things before you start trading. Master these 5 things, and your chances of blowing accounts will drop drastically. That is, if you ever blow accounts again. If this information was helpful, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, click that bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a video like this. Join our Finspoke Hub community for exclusive trading tips. Just go to WhatsApp and search for Finspoke Hub and follow us there. Thank you for your time and thank you for being part of this growing community. Thank you for always watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.